Okay, so check this out. On the left we have South Pole exposed alfalfa sprout seeds, and on the right we have red tape North Pole exposed alfalfa sprout seeds. One thing I can't show you from this video is if you actually stick your nose at the top of the jar, and this is always the case. This has a nice green, healthy smell, that sort of healthy, earthy, grassy smell that you expect in nature. This has a slightly ammonia chemical repulsive smell. It's always the case. This is seed exposure only. Let me bring these closer. I don't know if you can actually tell it, but you can actually tell the main white root system is beefy and healthy on the South Pole. Let me turn this jar so you can see better where the writing isn't present. On the North Pole, they're actually spindly and more flatworm shaped. The actual white root is spindly and it's flattened out, kind of like a flattened hose. There are also, and I have to take the jar and tilt it upside down, or mostly upside down to see it. There's a lot more dead seeds in the bottom of the North Pole exposed seeds than there is on the South, about 40% more actually. There's also a lot more green on the, and this is after 2 3/4 days of irrigation. You actually put some water in, drain it out. You do that 3 times a day. So North Pole here, smelly, spindly, much higher death count. Over here, healthy, robust, smells good. Everything's going along fine. They're actually growing at a faster rate. You can actually see as I zoom out here in the light. I'm going to give them both equal exposures of light. And then take a look at the North Pole over here. Do you see that? Do you see that they're spindly? And something else also interesting happens in the last 2 days, and I will show you that. I won't tell you that, but I'll show it to you when it happens, and it always happens. It's something really rather dramatic. Yeah, these are a lot fuller, a lot healthier. This is just 20 minutes of seed exposure along the centrifugal edge of either quote-unquote pole of the magnet. So there we go. There is the base. It's almost 3 days. So basically a 3-day update. I have another 3 to 4 days to go. And this is when they're actually fully grown. When you go to eat them, as I've told you before in other videos, these taste fresh and healthy and everything's awesome. Sprinkle some salad dressing on them, whatever. These smell bad. They taste horrible. They actually taste watery. When you're actually biting into them, instead of these being crunchy and nice and healthy and smell good, these smell bad, they taste watery and awful. Serious as a heart attack. Anyway, there we go. It's magnetic seed experiment after 3 days. And I'll update you again in a few more days. Bye.